Comfone submission for Rocco's The Innovators 2025 is the HAWKEYE alarming with forecasting. I'm Trevor. I'm responsible for the IPX services at Comfone. A significant and painful problem experienced by MNOs and other CSPs that the HAWKEYE addresses with its forecasting enhanced alarming engine is preventing revenue loss and customer dissatisfaction caused by undetected roaming connectivity issues. We've broken down that problem into 4 key elements, namely revenue leakage from roaming failures, customer churn and brand damage, operational inefficiency, and the inability to proactively address problems. Let's have a look at each of those individually. Mobile network operators often experience revenue losses when roaming subscribers cannot establish connections due to network faults, misconfigured systems, or capacity issues. Without precise and timely alerts, these issues can persist unnoticed, leading to prolonged service disruptions and missed billing opportunities. End users who experience poor roaming services are more likely to switch providers, leaving MNOs vulnerable to customer churn. A single undetected issue during peak travel times, like holidays or business trips, can tarnish the operator's reputation and erode customer trust. Manual monitoring or reliance on static thresholds generates excessive or irrelevant alarms, creating alert fatigue for network operations teams. This inefficiency leads to delayed responses to critical incidents, prolonging the resolution time. Traditional monitoring systems react with significant delays after problems have occurred, leaving little room for proactive and timely problem resolution. A lack of foresight into potential issues can result in cascading network failures. So how does the HAWKEYE fix these problems? The forecasting enhanced alarming engine predicts potential issues based on historical data, enabling MNOs to address problems before they escalate and impact customers. By reducing false positives, HAWKEYE ensures that only critical alarms are raised, saving operational time and focusing resources on genuine issues. Near real-time insights at the IMSI level allow operators to pinpoint affected subscribers and resolve issues faster, minimizing downtime. By automating monitoring and improving alarm accuracy, HAWKEYE reduces the need for extensive manual intervention, lowering operational expenses. By solving these challenges, HAWKEYE transforms roaming monitoring from a reactive process into a proactive, efficient, and customer-centric approach. This prevents revenue leakage, protects customer satisfaction, and safeguards the reputation of MNOs. Now let's have a look at the business model that Comfone adopted when developing the solution. Forecasting empowers HAWKEYE to predict and alert users to potential roaming issues before they impact customers, mitigating revenue loss and downtime. This is proactive problem resolution. By relying on data-driven predictions, HAWKEYE reduces false positives, ensuring alarms are meaningful and actionable. This minimizes alert fatigue for operations teams and focuses attention on critical issues. Accurate forecasts allow network operations centers to allocate resources more effectively, addressing predicted issues in advance rather than scrambling to fix problems reactively. By identifying and resolving potential problems proactively, HAWKEYE ensures uninterrupted service for roaming subscribers, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Forecasting models learn from ongoing data, refining their accuracy over time. Future iterations will incorporate machine learning to improve predictions further, making HAWKEYE even more effective in addressing complex roaming challenges. With Flink and Kafka, Comfone is quickly able to scale the solution to cope with new customers, new KPIs, and increasing roaming traffic. Simply increasing storage and allocating more CPU enables the forecasting engine to grow to infinity. You may ask, how is Comfone positioned to deliver such a solution? Comfone has more than 25 years of experience in the roaming industry. We have a large customer base across all roaming services. This customer base generates traffic that feeds the HAWKEYE and the forecasting engine. Comfone has a team of developers in-house with a wealth of knowledge and experience with processing big data. All development work is carried out within Comfone. Let's look at the technology used by the HAWKEYE and the forecasting model. HAWKEYE collects and processes a wealth of historical roaming data from Comfone's IPX network. Patterns and trends in key performance indicators are identified, such as connection success rates, error rates, and signaling performance. Using advanced algorithms written in Python, the forecasting engine analyzes these trends to predict future behavior. For instance, if a specific error rate begins trending upward, the model predicts when it might reach critical thresholds. Forecasted data feeds directly into the alarming engine. This allows HAWKEYE to generate alerts for anticipated problems before they occur, enabling proactive resolutions. Technologies like Flink and Kafka ensure the forecasting engine processes data in near real time, continuously updating predictions as new information flows in. By leveraging historical data, predictive analytics, and cutting-edge algorithms, the forecasting engine equips HAWKEYE with unparalleled precision and foresight. Consider a scenario where roaming traffic for a particular destination network is expected to exhibit stable error rates based on historical trends. With a traditional static alarming system, thresholds are predefined and fixed. As a result, sudden changes in the network conditions may go unnoticed until the error rate crosses this rigid threshold, potentially delaying the response to underlying issues. With HAWKEYE, forecasting enhanced alarming engine, the process is more dynamic and adaptive. The forecasting engine analyzes historical data to predict the expected behavior of KPIs, such as rates, error rates, or connection success rates for the current period. This forecast establishes a dynamic baseline for what the network's performance should look like under normal conditions. If the actual error rate deviates significantly from the forecasted baseline, the alarming engine generates an alert, even if the error rate does not exceed a traditional static threshold. For instance, the forecast model predicts an error rate of 0.5% for a specific KPI during peak hours. The error rate suddenly spikes to 1.2%, a deviation beyond acceptable limits of the forecasted baseline. The alarming engine identifies this deviation and generates an alert, prompting the operations teams to investigate. This dynamic thresholding ensures that HAWKEYE adapts to changing network conditions in real time, raising alarms only when an actual performance deviation from expected norms occurs. It enables quicker detection of unusual behaviors even before they escalate into severe failures, while avoiding unnecessary alerts during normal fluctuations. By dynamically adjusting thresholds to align with forecasted expectations, the alarming engine becomes more intelligent and responsive, ensuring issues are detected in a timely and efficient manner while reducing the noise of false positives. When will the solution be ready for market? The HAWKEYE alarming with forecasting has already been deployed. Existing HAWKEYE advanced customers can already benefit from the alarming with forecasting. Future iterations will incorporate machine learning to improve predictions further, making HAWKEYE even more effective in addressing complex roaming challenges. Thanks for your attention, and I look forward to your votes. If you have any questions and would like us to demonstrate the HAWKEYE to you, please contact us at ipx@comfone.com.